Good day everyone, I am Aljon Isarignaya, Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Mathematics. And now, our topic for today is about polar and rectangular coordinates. Given a pole and polar axis, set up a rectangular coordinate system by letting the polar axis be the positive x-axis and letting the y-axis be perpendicular to the x-axis and the pole. Then, the pole is the origin of the rectangular system if a point P has rectangular coordinates x and y and polar coordinates p and theta. Example, consider the polar curve P is equal to cos theta. Multiply by P, we get P squared is equal to P cos theta. Hence, x squared plus y squared is equal to x. Holds for the rectangular coordinates of points on the curve. That is equivalent to x squared minus x plus y squared is equals to 0. And completions of the square with respect to x yields the quantity of x minus 1/2 squared plus y squared is equals to 1/4. Hence, the curve is the with center at 1/2 and 0 and radius of 1/2. Note that as theta varies from 0 to pi halves, the upper semicircle is traced out from 1 and 0 to 0 and 0. And then, as theta varies from pi halves to pi, the lower semicircle is traced out from 0 and 0 back to 1 and 0. This whole path is retraced one more as theta varies from pi to 2 pi since cos theta has period of 2 pi. Example, convert polar coordinates to rectangular coordinates. X is equals to r cos theta and y is equals to r sin theta. If the given is 6 and 5 pi over 6. So, substitute the value of r which is 6 and theta which is 5 pi over 6. So, x is equals to 6 cos 5 pi over 6 is equals to 6 times negative square root of 3 over 2. Y square root of negative square root of 3 over 2, it is because we need to solve the radians into degree. So, 5 pi over 6 times 180 over pi is equals to 150. And 150 minus 180 is equals to negative 30. And cosine of negative 30 in the unit circle is negative square root of 3 over 2. So, that's why 6 times negative square root of 3 over 2 is equals to negative 3 square root of 3. And y is equals to 6 sin 5 pi over 6 is equals to 6 times 1/2. It is because the value of 5 pi over 6 is negative 30. And sin negative 30 in the unit circle is 1/2. So, 6 times 1/2 is equals to 3. So, the rectangular coordinates of the given 6 and 5 pi over 6 is equals to negative 3 square root of 3 and 3. Another example, if the given is 4 and 60 degree. So, x is equals to 4 cos 60 degree is equals to 4 times 1/2. It is because cosine 60 degree in the unit circle is 1/2. So, 4 times 1/2 is equals to 2. And y is equals to 4 sin 60 degree is equals to 4 square root of 3 over 2. It is because sin 60 degree in the unit circle is square root of 3 over 2. So, 4 times square root of 3 over 2 is equals to 2 square root of 3. And the rectangular coordinates of the 4 and 60 degree is 2 and 2 square root of 3. So, some typical polar curve. Cardioid. Find the length of the cardioid. R is equals to 2 times 1 plus cos theta. Solutions. dr over d theta is equals to negative 2 sin theta. 0 less than equal theta less than equal to pi. So, L is equals to square root of the quantity of dr over d theta squared plus r squared d theta is equals integrations from 0 to pi square root of the quantity of negative 2 sin theta squared plus 4 times 1 plus cos theta squared d theta is equals to integrations from 0 to pi square root of sin squared theta plus 1 plus 2 cos theta plus cosine squared theta d theta is equals to 4 square root of 2 integrations of 0 to pi square root of 1 plus cos d theta is equals to square root of 2 cosine 1/2 theta. So lemma 1 is P is equals to 1 plus 2 cos theta, and this is the graph of lemma 1. So another example in rows, find the area enclosed by one petal of the polar curve r is equals to 2 cos times 3 theta. So formula, A is equals to integrations from theta to beta 1/2 r squared d theta. A is equals to integrations of negative pi over 6 to pi over 6 1/2 square bracket of 2 cos 2 times theta. A is equals to 2 integrations from negative pi over 6 to pi over 6 cosine squared times 3 theta. So is equals to 2 integrations from negative pi over 6 to pi over 6 1/2 square bracket 1 plus cos 6 theta is equals to integrations from negative pi over 6 to pi over 6 square bracket 1 plus cos 6 theta d theta is equals to theta plus sin 6 theta over 6 from negative pi over 6 to pi over 6 is equals to square bracket pi over 6 plus 0 minus negative pi over 6 plus 0 is equals to pi over 6 plus pi over 6 is equals to 2 pi over 6 or pi over 3. So in the cosine squared, theta is equals to 1/2 square bracket 1 plus cos 2 theta, and cosine squared times 3 theta is equals to 1/2 square bracket 1 plus cos 6 theta. So in the Leibniz gate, find the area enclosed by the polar curve r is equals to 4 cos 2 theta. Formula, A is equals to integrations from theta to beta 1/2 r squared d theta. A is equals to integrations from negative pi over 4 to pi over 4 1/2 square bracket 4 cos 2 theta d theta. A is equals to integrations from negative pi over 4 to pi over 4 cos 2 theta d theta. So 2 square bracket of sin 2 theta over 2 from negative pi over 4 to pi over 4 is equal to square bracket sin times 2 times pi over 4 minus square bracket of sin times 2 times negative pi over 4 is equal to sin times 1 pi halves minus sin times negative pi half is equals to 1 minus the quantity of negative 1 is equals to 2. So 2 times 2 is equals to 4.